RF remote based speed and direction control of DC motor. Here we have the DC motor, RF transmitter and DC motor driver L293D, microcontroller LCD and RF receiver. Here we have the different switches to turn on and off. Here we have one switch on. Okay, so the remotely motor got turned on and speed decrease and increase. Here we have the two switches, and here clockwise anti-clockwise switch also there. So when I press anti-clockwise, it is rotating anti-clockwise, and if I press clockwise, the motor will rotate clockwise. In this way, remotely we can control the direction of the motor. So this can be used in the multiple industries or the different kind of automation projects.